All right, so I'm having an issue with auto ducking. As you can see, I just read through a post that was kindly given by somebody here, but unfortunately it did not help. Um, so I'll kind of show you what I got going on here. Um, we'll start with some context because that might be bringing in some issues. So when I use VoiceMeeter, I input my microphone into Ableton, and then with some VSTs, Ableton outputs to OBS, and OBS is then inputted into VoiceMeeter, believe it or not. This might sound a little bit backwards from how most people set it up, but trust me, for my purposes, it works well for what I need it to do. So I'm getting audio from OBS, and then it is being inputted into my virtual input in here. And so you can see my microphone level here. And what I'm hoping to do is create an auto ducking feature that affects the VoiceMeeter aux in here, because this is where I'll have music playing or YouTube videos or whatever, and the audience can pick up things from my computer. As well as also, I'm a musician, so I have plenty of instruments plugged in and it comes through here. And so I really just reserved this first one for my voice. Now, if we look at my macros that I set up here, I'll get rid of this so that's not as distracting. I have my macro buttons here. I have some macro buttons just for the general volume setup. So let's see, asterisk, plus and minus, right? So that's just, right, affecting the gain on a, how would you say, consistent basis. And then, okay, by a constant variable, there you go. And then here are my ducking settings that I created. So again, we are getting input from my microphone, that comes all the way from the microphone to Ableton to OBS to VoiceMeeter. So it made it here. We're here. It got here. I took these scripts straight from the VoiceMeeter manual PDF that you can Google and download. And it's right in there in the manual. I copied it word for word. So if there's something that's different looking, let me know. I'm not a programmer. I don't know much about code. This is the first thing I've ever quote unquote coded, if that's what you want to call it. So if anyone has, okay, yeah, back to the problem. Just to reiterate the issue, right? So I have this active, but it's just not. It's not going. It's not working, right? So if anyone has a solution, let me know. It'd be appreciated. Thank you.